This Shabath will be taught in the female scale, so I took Bhai Manpreet's male scale and shifted it down. It's also considered a level 3 Shabath because it is more difficult due to the spacing and timing of the words. Now we can listen to how Bhai Manpreet Singh does it so we can get a good idea of what this Shabath is like. So this is a little bit low, but that's where we're going to start to fit the rest of the high notes. Gur Khin Khin Preet Gur Khin So we can make this a little bit simpler. Bin Basically, the first half of the Shabath is with the same tune as Bin Nava, the whole line. Hum barak alteration of this specific line that I do, just because there's a lot of empty space. I kind of just sing a little extra. Mera man I guess, I mean, unless you think that sounds good, you don't have to do it, honestly. You can just keep it the exact same. The only difference is that I just add that little, like, that, you know. So it's just a little bit extra. You don't have to do it, but unless it was just an idea. And because there's no second half to that line, you kind of just go straight into right? And then for the second half of the Shabath, there's an extra tune. So I will show how to do that. So it starts off regular. I like to add a little Simran in, just because it kind of makes it the energy more. So I can also teach. This is the tune that I like to do personally on this Shabath. So it starts here. my voice is getting kind of tired from singing so high. So you should sing this note, but I mean, you can get away with not singing it. You can just press here without actually singing it, if you know what I'm talking about. So that's, you know, me singing on the tune, on the key. So that, as you saw, was basically the bin and nava line on the Gur Khin Khin Preet tune, but it's higher. It's like, you know, I think that's an octave higher. So that's another thing you can add in. And I like to start off with bin and nava, and then I do the simran, then I go back. And then you can do that, and then you can go back to do some simran like that or whatever. So those are just some ideas on how to add more stuff to this. It will make the length longer. So if you don't have much time or you have a limited amount of time to do the Shabath, maybe don't do all that. This image right here basically is a summary of everything I just explained for the second half. So basically what to do between each of the lines in the second half of the Shabath.